love and positive vibes. And I will start the video by thanking our returning subscribers and our new subscribers. Wagwan, we value you, we appreciate you guys. By the way, I'm running Patois, and soon I'll come and shoot a video about some of the things I've learned in Patois. You know, Patois is a language that is loved by almost everyone. And I want to make sure by the time I come to Jamaica, I'll have known a lot of Patois language so that I can be able to communicate. I know the Jamaicans speak English, but I would want to communicate with the old people that maybe cannot be able to speak English, can only speak Patois. So I'm running very, very hard so that I can know the language. And soon I'm going to shoot a video where I'm talking about some of the things that I have learned in Patois language. Now today, I don't know whether I have thanked our new subscribers and our returning subscribers. We value you. I would not want to forget to really appreciate you and thank you so much for actually watching our channel, liking our videos, commenting down below, and subscribing to this channel. We don't take it for granted. We appreciate you so much. Today's video is about being a yardie. A yardie. Is it being a yardie or being a yardie? Being a yardie means being a Jamaican. And guys, I've learned that Jamaicans love being Jamaicans. There are no people in the world that love being who they are like the people of Jamaica. That is something I have watched, because whenever you watch a video about them, they really appreciate being Jamaicans. They are happy and express their joy being Jamaicans. Being a yardie is one of the most beautiful things that the Jamaicans are proud of. They are very much proud of being yardie. And therefore today I'm going to talk about why Jamaicans are so proud of being yardies or being the people of Jamaica. Though I found that the word yardie also means some of the Jamaicans that left the country went to, I think, Canada and became that. But the yardie I'm talking about today is being Jamaicans, loving to be Jamaicans, and actually appreciating to be a Jamaican. I have seen a lot of very many things that can make one to love to be associated with Jamaicans, to love to be a yardie, to love to be associated with being a Jamaican. By the way, guys, you do not just appreciate being somebody just by chance. It is because you have seen the greatness, the achievement, the marriage, the determination, the love that your people have for each other and for other people around them. And therefore, you actually associate with them because of the positive vibes, because of the great achievement, because of the great victory that these people have achieved. And you want to be called one of them. By the way, guys, no one desires to be associated with failure. No one desires to be associated with a country that cannot actually grow, that is just there stagnant. No one would want to be associated with the people that are just there, they are nowhere. So all of us would want to be associated with victory, with success, with positive vibes, with positivity and good things. And I think that is why even Jamaicans that are in the diaspora still love to be yardies. They love to be Jamaicans. They love to be who they are. They are not shy to declare that they are yardie. They don't shy to declare where they have come from. Being a yardie means a strong person, full of energy, full of positivity, enduring, persevering, cannot actually be broken by the ups and the storms of life. That is who yardis are. They are people that are not actually brought down by the situations they are in, by the storms that come their way, because in life, you expect ups and downs, you expect storms, you expect good times and great times, and you expect some ups and downs. But yardis are not brought down by the circumstances that surround them. They are strong people. They are zealous people. They are resilient people. They are full of positivity in their hearts and their souls. They have large hearts that can accommodate everyone, including the people that go to their nation that they do not know. That is who their yardis are. They are very, very hardworking people. They can actually be involved in more than one job just to feed their family, to make their family comfortable, to make their family enjoy. They are very, very hardworking people. They are people who love families. If you are a yardie and you are watching me, you can actually tell us other characteristics of yardie. I'm not yet finished. They are people that love community, that love family, that embrace family ties. And this has made them to be very, very strong people when it comes to family ties. They actually love each other, embrace each other, support each other. They respect the elderly. They cannot tolerate people who do not respect the elderly. They give a space to the elderly. And I'm sure that is why the people of Jamaica, or the yardie people, are very, very loving. Because when you respect an elderly, you get to understand and actually practice the advices given to these old people, and therefore you cannot go astray. You cannot go outside and do things that are not good, because you can be able to listen to the elderly. So these yardie people, they love family ties. Above all things, they love feasting, festivals. In Jamaica, there are so many festivals. Starting with the Independence Day, going to the Carnival Day, going to the Emancipation Day, going to the Morning of the Dead. They have some days that they set aside to mourn their loved ones. They are not just releasing the person just like that. They celebrate the life of that person when he was on earth. They actually take some days to have celebration of the person who is gone. Those are their days for you. They are joyful people, humorous people. You can never get bored around them. You may ask me, Ram, have you ever associated with the yardie? I actually talk to some of the yardies through the phone. And not even that, I watch a lot of their videos. They are joyful people. They are happy people. They are people with positive vibes. They cannot make a day dull for you. They are the best people to be with. They are the best people to hang around with, because you will not get bored. You will laugh your heart out, because they are also entertainers. They are great dancers. Their dance moves are known all over the world. They love dancing. They love making merry. They love enjoying life. Those are their days for you. Their love for music is great. They love music. Music is part of them. It is in their DNA. It is in their spine. They love dancing to their music, dancing to their lyrics, dancing to their tune. The old and the young love to enjoy themselves through their great dance moves. They are great dancers. And you can get entertained as you watch them dancing to their lyrics, dancing to their tune. They are great dancers and great lovers of music. Another thing about yardie people, they are great cooks. They love sweet food. They love delicious food. Their food is always spicy, with very, very tasty spices. Let me talk about spices. The people of yardie have variety of foods, and they carry their foods even when they go to road trips. They take their time to prepare their food. They prepare their food with a lot of love. And that is why when Miss Nata tried to rush their food, she faced fire. She faced a lot of rebuke, because the yardie people prepare their food with love. They take their time to prepare their food. And that is why their food is rated the best in the world, amongst the best food in the world. They are great cooks. They also love spending their time hiking, enjoying the beautiful landscape that God has given them. They love jumping over the waterfalls, having a great time, enjoying their God-given time, doing enjoyable activities, going through their beautiful island, and having a great time as they go through the beautiful island, actually showing the beauty of the island. They are great people. The yardie people are open. They don't corner. Let me talk like my Yuguno today. They are straightforward. If they are happy with you, you know that they are happy with you. If they hate you, they will tell you direct, and they will tell you the reason why. And rarely do they hate. They just tell you straightforward your weaknesses, straightforward your downfall, straightforward your shortcomings. They don't corner. They are straight to the point. Those are the yardie people for you. They are brave. They don't keep quiet when they are oppressed. They will speak out, shout on top of the mountains. To their oppressors, they will say no. They will not allow to be brought down by people. They stand by their principles. They stand by their beliefs. They stand by their culture. They stand by their heritage. They are not cowed by who people are. The great and the mighty, we respect the people of yardie. We actually do, because they demand respect from everyone. They don't take it kindly when you disrespect them. They will tear you off. They will put you to your place. Those are the yardie for you. The yardies are God-fearing people. Today I'm going through the characters and the great people of Jamaica. They are God-fearing people. The Bible is their manual. They don't joke around with their Bible. If you try to joke around with their Bible, you'll face the music. They are great people with a lot of God fearing nature. And that is why maybe God has blessed them. God has enlarged them. Beyond every corner of their land, you see blessings of God, because they have actually feared God, referenced God, and He has actually made their path straight, has blessed them, the work of their hands, their territory, the borders of their land is blessed. We see a lot of things that are done in Jamaica, which are not done in great countries, large countries, because the people of Jamaica reference God, fear God, and therefore He has made them so blessed. The people of Jamaica are great people. They love their flag. They love their culture. They love their heritage. They have a lot to offer, from being the fastest people in the world to being the first people to fight for freedom among the Caribbean island, to being the first people to install electricity in the island, to being the greatest innovators of our times, to being the greatest agricultural people, growing all sorts of fruits, all kinds of natural food. Those are the Yardie people for you. The Yardie people, like I said earlier, are very, very hardworking people. They are not cowed by the people they are competing with. They can compete with high and mighty to attain the highest position in the world. We have seen them leading in the world, being the greatest people in the world. As I shoot my video, they always tell me, so and so started the Canadian anthem. There is one lady, I was told when I shot a video yesterday, that she actually went to Canada and started the Canadian anthem. Who does that in a foreign land? Those are the Yardie for you. They can vie for the highest seat in another nation. We have seen it in America. Jamaicans being on top there. Those are the Yardie people for you. They are not scared of any position. They are not scared of any title. They are not scared of any challenge. They actually face the challenge with a lot of strength and determination. Those are the Yardie people for you. They never give up. They never lose hope. They never say quit. Those are the Yardie people for you. They are great people. They are determined people. They are loving people. They are down-to-earth people. We embrace them. We love them. They inspire us. They motivate us. They tell us the sky is the limit. And we know through their inspirations, the sky is the limit for all of us. Thank you to the people of Yardie. We have come to know you. We have come to embrace you. We have come to appreciate you. We have come to learn a lot from you people. We salute you, the people of Yardie. And that is the end of the video. If you know something that I have left about the Yardie people, kindly add in the comment section, like the video, subscribe to the channel, road to 5,000 subscribers.